Hi everyone. Did it begin? Okay, it says live. Hi everyone, welcome to the episode 10 of Building a Search Engine. And today I'm going to work on Python, on profiling Python code. I'm not very happy with how fast indexer works. Um, so I'm going to open chat. I hope everything works fine. And there is video and okay, it's working. Welcome to the episode 10 of sorry. So okay, let me open the chat. As usual, you can ask me questions in the chat, and I will be happy to answer them. Okay, wait. So anyway, I'd like to start with some announcements, and the first one is that I created a subreddit called Watch People Code. It's dedicated to live streams, so if you're interested in watching or streaming, you can subscribe there. There is it's a small community. There is almost 400 readers, but it's growing. It's like 2 days old. So if you enjoy watching streams, okay, it says links are prohibited. So you can subscribe there. So today I'm going to work on profiling Python code, and let me join to okay. So I need to connect to VPS where demo is run and where all the crawled URLs are stored. What's the password? Okay, invalid password. Okay, here is the IP address, and I think I explained in the previous episode that crawler works somewhat slow, and I need to figure out why. And one of their hypotheses is that there is not enough memory, but also it could be slow code or some other differences. So I'm going to test the amount of memory available, and I'm going to run this program and watch the amount of free memory. And if it's not memory related, then I'm going to learn how to profile Python programs. Yeah, here is it. Okay, I need to open chat. Okay. Yeah, chat. So okay. How do I run indexer? I think there should be a program somewhere. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Where is it? Okay, sorry. Let's call crawler py. Okay, let's launch it. Python indexer py minus help. Okay, I need to source virtual env stuff, and then I'm going to launch indexer. And so sorry, crawled URLs index dir dirs. Sorry. Okay, I am not good at naming directories. So let's start with watching how much memory do we have, and it's Linux or Linux. How do I pronounce Linux in English? I think it's Linux. So in Linux, there is a program called free that displays the amount of free memory available, and here I can run it with the key minus m that displays the amount of memory in megabytes. And so yeah, here we have almost 150 megabytes used, but about 300 megabytes is free, which is good. So let's launch it and let's see how many memory is available. By the way, let's use a program called watch, and let's watch. So it's slowly eating some memory. So it's slowly eating it, and I think we might need to run it for maybe a couple of minutes. I don't know. And by the way, meanwhile, I'm going to show some GitHub stuff. I'd like to thank a viewer for contribution. So let me do this real quick. So I received two pull requests from one user. I forgot the exact username, but I'm going to find out it. Pull request. One is open and 6 is closed. Yeah, so there is a nice fix for using default dict in inverted index. And thank you, Chio. I don't know if I pronounced your nickname correctly. Yeah, it's still running. We still have quite a lot of memory free, but it's going down. Yeah, by the way, if you want to contribute, you can send me a pull request. And by the way, there was one weirdness, so when you send a pull request, you just select a branch, and sort of this nice pull request is created. But if you want to open multiple pull requests simultaneously, you need to create a new branch per one pull request, because if you make a commit to the existing branch and you have a pull request opened for this branch, a new commit will be automatically added to the pull request. So I actually made this mistake myself, but I first opened two pull requests for some repository. I thought I could just commit to master and not create a new branch. Well, it turned out that all my pull requests are glued together, so it didn't look really nice. So looks like there is quite a bit of free memory left. And meanwhile, I'm going to read some docs on profiling in Python. I don't think I've done much profiling in Python, but I have quite a bit of experience with profiling C++ code, so I hope profiling Python code is not difficult. And by profiling, I mean when you profile a program, you get a nice statistics per each function, per each line, how much each line of your code, how much time each line in your code is executed. So you can this way using profile you can find what parts of your program are slow. And looks like in Python there is default model called cProfile and profile. Mm, by the way, I'm going to read this in Firefox, so if there is new messages in chat, I'm not going to miss them. Okay, I need to resize. So here is how easy it is to profile a single Python statement, but we need to profile a full program. So the file cprofile can also be invoked as a script to profile another script. Okay, that's good. Looks like this is how we can profile Python code. And by the way, looks like there is not much memory left. Okay, let's keep an eye on it and let's read the documents. And just looking at some snippets. Okay, it was killed, and this probably means that it was killed because it ate too much memory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at how much URLs are there. Okay. And then I'm going to take maybe a quarter of this amount. I mean, I think I need to copy maybe a quarter of these files. So let's create a new directory. URLs sample. And let's copy a quarter of this stuff there. Let me check. Okay. So I'm going to copy it now. Let's say I want 500 URLs, so slightly less than a quarter. And let's see, it's 500. Yes, right, correct. So I'm going to invoke xargs with cp-t crawled URL sample, and let's see if it works. No such file directory. Okay, this is because ls outputted only file name without relative path. Let's see how to get full path. So I'm going to okay. Okay, use find. I think I'm not going to use find. What I'm going to do is just cd called URLs, and I'm going to invoke the same command, but I'm going to do this. Okay, I need to. Okay, magic. Basically, what xargs does, it takes the output of this thing, which is just first 500 files, and it passes it to CP, and so it invokes CP, and then CP copies all these 500 files to the destination directory. So I think now we can relaunch crawl now, relaunch indexer, and let's see why is it slow. Crawl, then okay. I think it should work at least four times as fast, or I mean, it should work faster 4 times. So let's see and watch. Oh, okay, let's wait and watch. And meanwhile, I'm going to look at how to profile the code. So I think I found this short snippet -mc profile. So what I think I need to do is just launch the Python with these arguments, and it will output the stats nicely. Okay, by the way, I think I can do this and restart it, so we will get nice statistics, and we will monitor the amount of free memory available at the same time. So cprofile -o profile and stats. So I hope profile and stats is the file where all the statistics will be stored. Yeah, so let's launch it, and let's go and watch this thing. Okay, so it's last time it slowly takes more and more memory. By the way, is there a way to profile memory in Python? So what I'm trying to do now is CPU profiling. So what I will get is how much each line or each function, how long each line or each function works, and I want to know how long, not how long it works, but how much memory it allocates or deallocates, and generally to find the code that allocates lots of stuff. Yeah. The final. Okay, looks like there is a cool model. Yeah, and it's really easy to use. Okay, that looks cool. And it looks like I can profile a single function. So if I don't want to profile a whole program, I can just add this decorator in front of function I want to profile. Some precision. What's precision? So Let's see. Let's wait and watch. Looks like half of the memory is still available. As usual, you can ask me questions in the chat. Thanks for watching. I think I'm going to stream for about 1 hour, so I have 40 minutes left, and hopefully I will figure out why it's slow. I think it shouldn't take that much time to how many URLs are there? Let's see. Sorry. Yes. God damn it. Okay. 100 megabytes. It's not a lot. I think it should take a minute or less. And I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's go back to monitoring the amount of free memory. And I hope it's not too boring, because when I normally work, I just launch profiler, wait for it, and then, I don't know, while I'm waiting, I maybe go grab a coffee or tea or cold. Actually, I don't like coffee. Or I go and read some stuff on Reddit. Yeah. So this stream might be boring. We just need to wait for it to finish, and actually maybe I need to reduce the amount of documents further, so there will be not 500 documents, but let's say 100 documents. Okay. I wonder. Okay, yeah, cool. Roll URLs, and let's make another directory. URLs sample2, and let's put some. Oh, sorry. Let's put there some of the documents. Let's make it 100. Roll URLs sample2. Okay. Cool. Looks like it created some of the indexes. I don't know. It's still eating up memory. So I hope it will finish soon. Still working. Hey, where is the stats? I want the stats. Come on. Finish. Come on. Maybe there is some stats already, by the way. Let's see. Let's see. What should it be called? Profile stats. Okay, there is no such file. Okay, let's look at the top. By the way, another program that helps you monitor memory is top by pressing more sign, so shift plus dot or shift plus comma. You can switch between various sorting orders. So you can sort by CPU, or you can sort by memory. And here is the list of processes that take the most memory. One of the obvious ones is Python, because I launched indexer, so it's not surprising. I don't know, maybe I should do my normal thing and go read some Reddit. I don't know. You can ask me questions in the chat. I'm a bit bored, or it's kind of boring to wait for this stats. Okay, come on, give me. And I don't want to terminate it because maybe it's almost done. Okay, 100 megabytes left. Okay, thank you. I'm glad that you like my videos. And I'm sure that this one won't be the best because I stare at the screen for the half of the time and wait for this program to complete. Okay, I think it might be killed by all out of memory killer. So it's okay, 40 megabytes. So it will run out of memory and we won't get our stats. Damn it. Okay. Okay, did I launch it with crawl to URLs again? Okay, I'm stupid. I had this sample directory and I didn't launch with the proper parameter. So it was crawl to URLs when it should be crawl to URLs sample. Anyway, let's launch it with crawl to URLs sample 2. So hopefully it will be fast this time. Okay, so we can see it slowly, it's in memory again. It's kinda wiggles for some reason. On the bright side, it should be 20 times as fast. So if we waited for like 10 minutes, hopefully this time it will be 1 minute or half a minute. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Yeah, okay, it's done. Okay, cool. Yes, great. I can now finally see profiling stats. What's this? How do I print them? Okay. How do I? Okay, p-stats model stats has evaluating methods for manipulating within the data saved into profile results file. Oh, great. Okay, let's try it. Cool. Import p-stats. What was that? I hope this is file name. I'm not sure, but I really hope it's just a file name. Let's try it. And let's just try this comment. Oh, okay, great. Nice. Okay, looks like there is a lot of stuff. I'm not sure. Sort stats. So they sort the profile by cumulative time in function, then only prints. Yeah, okay, yes, so let's do this. Why not? Okay. Mm, so obviously it takes a lot of time in create index from dir. This is not surprising. Okay. So then it takes quite a bit of time in parse Reddit post. Okay. Okay, let's see. We need probably to open util pipe. Okay, I think the way to fix it would be okay. So I think a couple of weeks ago I was reading some beautiful soup documentation and I stumbled upon on something like selective parsing, where you can just tell it which part of HTML you really want, and it won't waste time on parsing the whole document when you need a single div like we do. Yes, so let's see, maybe I'm going to search in Firefox. So what did I want it? What did I want? Forgot, sorry. Okay. Beautiful sub documentation, and let's see how to. Okay, we are using beautiful sub 4. Right. And I need to find this place in the docs. So I don't quite remember what was it called. Smart words. Yeah, parsing only part of a document. So let's try this thing called parse strainer. Oh, sorry, substrainer. Let's try it out. Substrainer. Okay, let's see if we can combine it like this. Div user text body. Let's see if it works. Parse only div user text body, and let's see if it gives the same result as normal parse Reddit post. For util import parse Reddit post. Invalid syntax. Okay, let's see how to parse by class name. I mean, filter by class name. Yeah, so let's open an example post. Learn programming. Let's see this thing, if it has an ID. Maybe we can filter by ID, not by the class, but by ID. Not sure. Probably not. Nice. Entry and vote. Title. Okay. No, it only has class, and I suspect that we can do this like class equals this, because class is a reserved word in Python. So let's try. And by the way, it looks like we need to do some manual splitting of class string. So from what I can tell, from reading this is that Beautiful Soup takes literal class string and it doesn't split it into individual class names. So like here, for example, it has multiple classes, and Beautiful Soup doesn't split all these classes into individual elements. So we need to do some magic with lambdas. Also, it's not quite magic, nothing really special here. So let's see. Lambda L. Okay, let's see. And I need to source virtual env. Okay, let's now try it. And we need some sample Reddit post. By the way, what I'm going to do is just copy some random stuff from crowd sample to. Yeah, I need a single file. So I need to copy a single file to the parent directory, and looks like here is the base 16 encoded name. Let's do this. And by the way, I don't like this name. Let's make it shorter. Okay. Let's add the check for null. Sorry. And did it work? Okay, I think I need to do clear and reset. Import util. Parse Reddit post. Prepare it. I constantly hear guys in my CS classes talk about how they started coding. Okay, looks good, but let's double check it. I constantly. Yeah, it's really looks like user text body container. I mean user text body div. And let's do one more profiling session. Yeah. Okay. I hope that this file still exists, so I can do some comparisons. But maybe we need some faster library, not just beautiful soup. Okay. So where is this stats thing? I need to print some statistics. Where is it? Where is it? Stats. Oh, p-stats, not r-stats, p-stats. Okay. 45 minutes. Okay, I have about 45 minutes. Oh, sorry, 15 minutes left. Hi, Vasily. So let's see. Okay, it's file name. Profiling stats. Yeah. And I'm going to well, here is the line. I actually don't quite understand what these all numbers mean. I think it should mean, okay, it's cumulative time. So probably it means that the whole create index from dir was run for 40 minutes. And I need to see how long was it taken before they changed. So it looks like now it's 46 minutes, 46 seconds. So looks like 10% improvement, not much. But it's still something. I hope it's not just random change. And actually not sure what to do. Maybe I need a better HTML parser. Maybe I need to actually start using Reddit API instead of crawling Reddit. Not sure, I need to think about it. I'm going to commit this now. Oh, I hate it. I hate Nano. I love Vim and I hate Nano. And by the way, I need to set up a Git editor, I think, in Git config, but I'm too lazy. So, by about 10%. Let's push it to GitHub. So, what there? Oh, okay, I need to pull some stuff. But what was the? Okay, I don't remember how to do fast forward. I'm not very proficient in Git, so I need to. Okay, some Russian website called Habra. Okay, another Russian document. So I need to git push fast forward. Okay, just tell me how to do fast forward stuff. Fast forward git merge. Maybe it's not fast forward, maybe it was something like git pull fast forward. Okay, was it the same thing? Okay, maybe I can do git fetch and git merge. Okay, let's do the git merge. Okay, let's see. Let's try pushing now. Still rejected. Non-fast forward. Okay. Okay, let's do git pull. Okay. Time to push again. I think I actually didn't preserve the nice history. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. I don't know. Okay, sorry. Okay, here's this commit merge. Pull requests. I wonder how to view nice git history. Maybe this? No, it is just some stats. Settings. Make this. Oh, no, I don't want this. So, okay, whatever. I think I'm going to end with this stream in a couple of minutes. If you have some questions, ask them in the chat, and I will be happy to answer them. Yeah, so I'm going to wait a couple of minutes for the so people with the luck can catch up with the current state of stream. I mean, there is a bit of luck when streaming, and I think about 30 seconds. So I'm going to wait a couple of minutes just to make sure every question is answered. But you can always email me and ask me question by email. So I think this time I actually managed to feed the stream into 1 hour, which is good. I will try to aim for 1 hour streams, for 1 hour episodes. Okay, so what I wanted to find in GitHub UI is something like this. So here we can see a bunch of commits, and some of them are like have one parent, but some of them have two parents, and those that have two parents, like this one or this one, are mergers. So, and each line represents a branch. So I wanted to find something like this in GitHub user interface. I hope there is something, but I don't see anything. I guess a couple of minutes passed. So thanks for watching. Send me questions. I don't know, if you want to contribute, feel free to submit a pull request. There is a bunch of issues. So yeah. That is it. So, bye. See you next week.